Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. Today we're going to test on your Chromebook to see if your battery is working. So I'm going to navigate to the right here, hit click on the setting and it will open up, and then I hit click on About Chrome OS. And after clicking on About Chrome OS, then I'm going to click on Diagnostics. And then once the Diagnostics panel opens up, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to test your battery. And also keep in mind, if you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Alright, I can see here, run charge test. This will test my battery. If it fails, keep in mind, in the description down below, we have a video on how to replace your battery on a Chromebook. As you can see, this passed. So in this case, if I find my battery is good, then the next possible thing to look into fixing would be my charger. We also have a video in the description down below on how to test your charger. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.